2018 model year, Ford introduced a new front fascia for the Mustang, which seemed to garner split opinions from enthusiasts. Some people liked the new design, while others preferred the looks of the 2017 model. Even though the standard Mustang received a facelift, the Shelby GT350 remained the same for 2018. Now Ford has just revealed the 2019 GT350, which looks remarkably similar to the 2018 model it replaces. If you are a fan of the pre-facelift Mustang, then you'll like the new Shelby GT350. Speaking to Motor One, Ford said customers already liked the look of the GT350, so it chose to focus on chassis changes rather than aesthetic ones. For starters, Ford recalibrated the standard MagneRide suspension with new springs and revised dampers, and has made changes to the 3-mode electronic stability control. The GT350 now has even more grip than before thanks to new Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires with a Shelby-specific tread pattern measuring 295/35 inches the front and 305/35 inches the rear wrapped around new 19-inch aluminum wheels. 6-piston front and 4-piston rear Brembo brakes carry over to handle stopping duties. At the rear, the GT350 has a revised spoiler with an optional gurney flap to improve aerodynamics. Under the hood, the 5.2-liter Voodoo 5.8 remains unchanged, but Ford did make some small improvements to the interior. The instrument panel is now made from machined aluminum, and exposed carbon fiber can also be ordered. The same Recaro race seats carry over, but now come with power adjustment and a suede finish. Ford will also offer a new 12-speaker Harman audio system with a now standard 8-inch Sync 3 infotainment system. One option missing from the GT350 is the digital instrument cluster that we loved on the 2018 GT. Finally, the 2019 GT350 will be available in 2 new colors, Velocity Blue and Ford Performance Blue. Customers can also option factory-painted racing stripes in high-gloss Shadow Black, Oxford White, and Kona Blue. We weren't expecting Ford to make drastic changes to the GT350, so this small improvement should hold us over until the GT500 arrives.